Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. With your personal touch and upgrades, this 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house located in the upscale, gated community of Vista Del Mar, St. Anne has the potential of becoming your dream home or island retreat. The combined land is almost 12,000 square feet, and the house and garage are approximately 4,100 square feet. This spacious house is on 2 levels, with the upper level comprising 2 bedrooms with walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms and balconies. On the lower level, you will find a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, powder room, staff quarters, laundry room, storeroom, veranda, back porch, bar, living, dining room, kitchen, and garages. Constructed to take advantage of natural light and tropical island breezes. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 87 million or US $565,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.